Hello guys, it's Miguel from GonzalezFirearms. As you can see, happy National Buy Ammo Day, guys. Don't forget, buy ammo before the store closes today. And tomorrow, let's not forget about voting. And you guys all know who I'm voting for. Not Obama, but yeah, can't wait for tomorrow. And I'm gonna be doing a lot of praying and for my future president. But check this out, man. This is all the ammo I got today. Yeah, I got some 40 Smith & Wesson, some 45, more 40s. I got 22 LRs right here. There's 525 rounds right there, and there's 555 rounds right there. I got 45 down here as well, 100 rounds. I got a value pack for my 9mm, 100 rounds each pack. I got some for my governor as well. There you go. I got some 4-shot and I believe I have the 000 buckshot right there. Yeah. And then for my 12 gauge, you can't forget my 12 gauge right here. Yep, 9 pellets, 00 buckshot for my 12 gauge. I got some Hornet A or Hornet E, whatever you guys want to call them. 9mm defense rounds. And I got some Zombie Max 45 auto. But yeah, and can't forget 223s. There's 100 here, 100, and some slugs for my 410 for my governor. There you go, guys. But this is it. This is all the ammo I got, and that's not including with the stuff that I got hidden. So I got a lot more ammo than this, but this is what I bought today, guys. Yep, this is it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you bought your ammo. Don't forget tomorrow. Go vote, guys. Go vote. And trust me, I'm gonna vote myself too. I better. Oh, I can't forget the 45 long Colt. Yeah, it's a little pricey though. $39.99. Yeah, it's a lot of money, but it's for me and for my governor. Alright, guys. As always, God bless. Thanks for watching. Peace.